how would you compare your lifestyle from back then?
Yeah, so it's definitely, provided us opportunities that, we didn't have before. A lot of it is the flexibility of time.
Do you think your family is proud of you today?
I believe so. Yeah. I mean, I've heard it said from them many times. I love the fact that we are open to share that with each other. Just as much as my wife has told me how much she's proud of me, as how much I've been proud of her, because she decided to go back to school after this whole time. Here's another thing, another advantage, right? Another benefit, if you will, that's come out of this opportunity is it allowed for my wife to go back to school now, because now she said, okay.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah. So, I'm proud of her for doing that.
You're saying your family is proud of you. Are you proud of yourself?
Yes, I am. I'm proud of the fact that I did something that I set out to do, and that was my first goal, was to leave corporate America.
So, how many deals have you done since you became a real estate investor?
I think we're at about 25 to 30 deals.
How many deals are you planning to get it done by the end of the year?
Yeah, so we would like to double that by the end of the year. That would be a stretch goal.
And how does that make you feel when you do say those numbers out loud, that you have done that many deals?
I'd look back at the beginning of this journey, and I remember just saying to myself, man, if I can just get that first check, that first paycheck, to make all of this, validated, And so I always go back to that moment.
Would you consider yourself that you are living the American dream now?
I would say so, yes. I think a lot of people focus on the American dream being, you go buy a house and, the white picket fence, and that's the American dream. I think for me, the American dream is much more than that.
What is the American dream for you? Because as you just said, American dream,
yeah,
not just for us immigrants, even for the people that was born and raised in this country. What is the American dream? For me, it might be different for you, but what is yours?
Yeah, for me, it's time freedom. It's having the time to be able to do what I feel that God's called me to do, and what I feel like my purpose is in life.
What advice that you have for anyone that wants to change their lifestyle as a real estate investor, and why would someone want to become a real estate investor?
There's so many things that we want to do, so many opportunities that are out there. You can get lost very easily with so many different avenues. But real estate investing is just such a great avenue for us to leverage and to use, that has been proven, right? And also being a part of a network like this, that you can do life with the like-minded people. Then really, once you make a decision, then all you have to do now is follow that up with discipline and consistency.
So now that you have achieved all this success, what is next on your agenda?
Yeah, so for me, what's next is to continue to build our company.